Okay, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop, folks. Robert G. in Florida. This is your DX959. Wanted to show you the changes that I did to it. Had it all boxed up, and you requested that I make a video, so I had to take it back out of the box. And no, folks, I don't always make a video. I usually only make a video if it's like something special or different that I made to the radio, or the customer requested. It takes a lot of time to make a video. Once you get it made, you have to edit it and put it all together and then upload it and all that business, so it adds about an extra hour to the build. But anyway, here's the inside of it. There's your new shotkeys, all the little blue diodes there, right there. Your first RF stage has been upgraded, and here's all your old parts. Recognize those two switches? Pull those out and stuff that crap in the bag. I'll send you all this with the rest of your old parts. There's your old diodes and the old first RF transistor. Upgraded the capacitors. They're both 3300 microfarad caps now. I've already showed you the diodes and the first RF stage. And I upgraded you to an LC35. Okay. I set up your channels on your noise blanker A and L. Let me show you how that works. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. There's your receive on AM. And got that going. I don't have a speaker plugged into it. That's why you don't hear it. Okay, and oops, wrong switch. There it is on sideband. Okay. Oh, cut that thing off. Alright, there's your normal CB channels. So your A and L noise blanker switch is in the middle. Move it to the left, you go to the lowers. There's your bottom channel right there. Okay, there's your top channel. Now watch, there's a skip between channel 3 and channel 4. You notice on 3 it's 535, on 4 it's 555. If you want to talk on 545, put the plus 10 kc on your Roger beep switch. Push that in, pow, you pick up that extra channel. Okay? And did not open the clarifier because, you know, there wasn't enough money there to open the clarifier. And you told me that you didn't want the clarifier opened. Now, one other thing I did for you, on the newer radios, they realized that the copper was too thin for some of these runs. This is one of the main ones that the copper's too thin on. If something happens to this voltage regulator over here, it will burn the copper run up. So what I've done is what they did. I scraped the solder mask off of it and added a layer of solder on top of it there, make that run thicker. Okay, so if this guy ever shorts out, hopefully it won't burn up that run. Alright, and also dressed up your swing kit. I took it off, opened it up, shortened the leads up, put heat shrink back over it because it was like way out over here. No need for that. Okay, I think that about covers it. Oh, I didn't show you the top end. Alright, that's the bottom. That's the high channel on the bottom. Okay, then you got your normal CB channels there in the middle. Channel 1, channel 40. Okay, then you pick up the high channels. Now, most everybody talks on the lower sideband above channel 40, but there are exceptions. like channel 555, which is the international call channel. Right there, they like to talk on upper sideband. Okay, just remember that. But as a general rule, most everyone talks on lower sideband. Okay, and there is your high channel, but that's not the highest. You got one more. You push in the Roger beep, you go up one more channel. Okay, you see the Roger beep light will come on, indicating that you're plus. That's now the plus 10 KC switch. Okay, push that in again, and it turns it off. I think that's about it. I'm getting ready to put the covers back on it, but it talks fine. Let's see, let me turn the peak on, put this on bird, external, and I got 100-watt slugs in both of these, so you're not going to be able to tell a whole lot. That's let's see if I got do I have the other slugs here handy? No, they're not handy. Oh well. We're reading on the bottom scale on both meters. You can see your dead key in about 2 watts. Audio, audio, audio. Audio, audio, audio. Audio. This is a bipolar radio. Let's see. Are we doing on peak power? About 6 watts on peak power. That's pitiful, but your transistors all check good. Okay, and I did set up the bias on those. There's nothing wrong with that, and realistically it's doing what it's supposed to on AM. Hello, let's see what it does on sideband. Audio. Do I have the mic gain turned up? Because it was doing better than that. What did I do here? Hello, audio, 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 audio. Okay, I figured out what I was doing wrong. It don't help the microphone to turn the RF gain up. RF gain is the one that's in the middle of the microphone, is the one that has the push Roger beep push button on it. So sorry about that. And let's see, we're on your lowest channel right now, 26515. And it's doing about, I'd say about 11 watts peak and about 4 watts average. Okay, that's your lowest channel. And then let's go to the highest channel, which is 27855. Okay. 27855. And we got a little more power up here. Your peak is about 14 watts. Still about 4 watts average. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 watts average, and yeah, 12 watts peak. That's pretty good balance between top and bottom. Now let's get right in the middle on the CB band. It's gonna be 27205. Okay, and that's what, that's about 35, 36 peak, and about 7 average. That's injecting the modulation. If I just key the radio, you got 1, 2, 3, about 3.5 watts dead key. Okay, or 2.5. That's 1, 2.5 watts dead key. All right, there it is on that meter there. Hello, 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 hello. Audio, hello, audio. A little bit more than 35. Okay, that's on 27205. All right, I think that about does it. I'm gonna put the covers back on it and get it sent out. Robert, I sure hope you enjoy your radio, what I did to it. One other thing I needed to show you, I don't want to get that solder up underneath that PC board. Pull that back. See this little jumper right here? That's where your noise blanker A&L switch was. That little jumper in that connector there came out of this little harness. That wire did, and that's what turns your noise blanker on all the time. Okay, and A&L also. All right, I sure hope you enjoy it. 7.3s, everybody. Robert, one other thing I forgot to mention. See these screws? All of your case screws had rust there in the middle of them, which that happens a lot when when you tighten them down and loosen them up. They have a tendency to scrape off the chrome in those areas, and then they start rusting. So what I've done, I replaced all of the screws with zinc plated screws that are zinc plated with polished heads. It takes a #1 Phillips to get them out, or I guess you could use a read and print. Okay, but I replaced all the screws in the cover with these zinc plated screws with polished heads. They won't rust. Okay. All right, that stuff there I'm going to leave to you. All right, buddy. Thanks for the business. 7.3s. Well, Robert, I just noticed something else. The bottom cover's bent. I bet it got bent when you were trying to pry it up off of whatever you got it stuck to, because I see like tool marks on your bezel right there and right there. Looks like where you were trying to pry the covers up. I do have new covers for these things. So before I box it back up, shoot me an email after you see the video and let me know if you want me to replace the covers with a new set. The new set of covers, they're like about $30. Okay, 15 for the bottom and about 15 for the top. And I'll just move your speaker over to the new ones. Is that right? Or is it $15 a set or $20 a set? I'll have to look it up. I think the chrome ones are $30 a set. The black ones are $20 a set. I'll check, but yeah, that's bent. And I don't know if you want to leave that hole open there or not. I could probably take it back off and beat it down with a hammer, but let me know what you want me to do. Okay, 7.3s. Okay, Robert. Oh, here's your new decal. Looks pretty snazzy. And of course, we get all of our decals done at Gamma Ray Graphics. Let's see if I can get the web address to zoom in there. GammaRayGraphics.com. Okay, that's where we get all of our decals done at. Fred does an excellent job. there you go. And there's the new covers. Now, I peeled, and I tell all of my customers this, don't leave that plastic crap on there. These are brand new covers or sitting in the box, waiting to be sold or put on a radio or whatever. You can see the edge where that plastic crap was, right there, on both sides. Now I'll take something and try to get that off for you. But that's why I tell folks, don't leave those damn things on there. You can see the edge there in the front and all down the side there. I got this side off already. I'm going to work on getting the other part of it off. Alright, there you go. Looks pretty good. Of course, you know, I mean, the bezel is in bad shape. But there's your new decal and your new covers. Okay, Robert, thanks for the business. 73s, everybody.